One day there were 3 cats who were going to celebrate the party of the king of weasels. The characteristics of the 3 were 1. Short body, 2. Muscular body, 3. Fat body. The 3 of them went to the forest to do party movements at night. Exactly at 10 at night. See their behavior here.
This is very tiring.
Let's enjoy the map tonight.
Okay, let's go.
Let's have a dose!
I will tell you about my life. Listen until then.
Oh my god, this is so delicious!
Hey, Betty, let's sleep.
A few moments later.
Oh my God.